Are you struggling to fall asleep? Just tossing and turning in bed, but your mind just won't rest? Well, you are not alone. Hi, I am Bharti, and today I'll be guiding you through some simple and effective pranayama and breathing techniques that will calm your mind and help you drift into a deep and restful sleep. So once you're ready, let's start. We'll start with Chandra bhedna pranayama, or the left nostril breathing. For this, bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and the middle finger. Bring the right thumb on the right nostril. We are going to always inhale through the left nostril, close the left nostril and exhale from the right side. Again, inhale left, switch, exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Keep going on. We'll do this for 2 minutes. Keep trying to make the inhalations and the exhalations longer and slower. There is no hurry. Slowly exhale from the right side and bring the right hand down. Let's take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we'll be doing 4-7-8 breathing, in which we are going to inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 7, and exhale through the mouth for a count of 8. So let's start. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the mouth for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Slowly exhale out through the mouth and relax. The last pranayam we'll be doing is Bhramari Pranayama, or the hummingbee breath. In this, we are going to inhale through the nose and exhale out through the nose, making a deep humming sound. We are going to close our ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. And we'll practice this also for 2 minutes. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And relax, and slowly bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Now from here, let's lie down by gently rolling onto our side and coming onto our back. Place the right hand on the belly and the left hand on the chest. And we'll finish with some deep abdominal breathing. So as you inhale, breathe into your right hand, feeling the belly rise up, 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 up. Exhale, down, 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 down. Again, inhale, up, 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 up. Exhale, down, 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 down. Inhale, up, 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 up. Exhale, down, 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 down. Let's take a few more breaths like this. Continue to breathe normally here. Your breath is slower, your mind is quieter, and your body is ready to rest. I'll leave you here. Practice this on a daily basis and you'll see a great difference in your sleep quality. With that, sweet dreams and bye-bye.